As we say, thank you for joining us for the Pix 11 News at 4. I'm Erin LeBeau.
I'm Kendis Gibson. We're going to begin with that breaking news in the Sean Diddy Combs sex trafficking trial. The case now in the hands of the jury.
Yeah, but the panel didn't have the case long before sending an unusual note to the judge. Pix 11's Anthony DiLorenzo has been following this trial from the start. He joins us now live from the Manhattan courthouse with the breaking details. Anthony.
Ernie, anytime you get a note from the jury, it sends everyone into some sort of panic. Everyone wants to know exactly what is going on in this jury's mind. It's been deliberating now since about 11:30 this morning, but it was only 60 minutes into those deliberations that they sent a confounding note to the judge saying that one of the jurors was having trouble following the instructions. While it's not exactly clear what that means, it could be an early indication that it could be good news for the defense. Drama in the jury room on day one of deliberations in the Sean Combs trial. Barely an hour into the panel of 8 men and 4 women meeting behind closed doors, the foreperson sending a letter to the judge at 12:30, writing in part that one of the jurors cannot follow your instructions.
It's really unusual for after 1 hour to get a note like that. This juror perhaps is giving answers that don't coincide or align with most of what the other jurors.
The juror in question is a white male from Manhattan, 51 years old, and told the court during jury selection he was a scientist. Retired Judge Barry Kamens believes the defense would object to having the juror dismissed after all this time.
If this is someone who's sticking to their guns and not agreeing with a lot of what the other jurors are saying, that's the kind of person that the defense wants. So that's the last person they would want thrown off a jury.
After conferring with the parties, including Diddy, the judge sent a letter back reminding jurors to deliberate and follow the letter of the law he gave them Monday morning. The 12-member jury has been tasked with sifting through a mountain of evidence and testimony presented during the 7-week trial in Manhattan. Combs has been charged in a 5-count indictment, including sex trafficking, prostitution, and racketeering conspiracy. On Diddy's current mindset, a source on his team speaking with him over the weekend telling me he realizes many people in jail don't have family or support and that his family means the world to him. Sean hopes to make this up to them, and he's remaining committed to his faith and staying positive. Well, after the jury left this morning for deliberations, there was one moment between Diddy and his family where everyone bowed their heads in prayer. Family members linked hands, and once they were finished, they all applauded. At this point, his team tells me that he continues to be grounded in faith and denies all of the charges. This, as the jury continues deliberations at this hour. They have been told they have until 5 o'clock tonight or whenever they'd like to break apart for the day. That's the latest live here in Lower Manhattan. I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.
Anthony, thank you. And we're going to continue to keep a close eye on that courthouse.
Yeah, we'll bring you the Diddy verdict and any developments as they come in. I'll keep it right here on Pix 11.